Yeah, I think when I was like 15, I was more chill with it a little bit. I was kind of like, oh yeah, let's go work out, let's do this. Like, I'm just kind of doing what my mom says I should do, versus now it's kind of what I want to do. I'm more choosing that I want to train for it. It was a little stressful actually, I felt like there was some more pressure on me to like stand up to the other girls, I guess. I felt like almost like if I didn't train one day or so, I was like, oh, I'm getting behind. I need to train harder, you know? And then it started coming a little bit more natural. I would say kind of a mix of both, because the results fired me up, of course, so that I kept getting good results. But then, of course, seeing the other girls surfing really good and stepping it up and seeing their training videos and everything made me want to work harder than them to be better than them. So from here, for the next couple years, I'm going to do everything in my power to make it on tour and hopefully in a couple months qualify for the Olympics. Yeah, I'm constantly in a new place. I'm pretty much moving every 2 weeks to another surf spot, and I'm constantly flying, and it gets really tiring, and I really miss my family and my home and just my dogs and just being in Florida. It's so relaxing. I can just walk down and check the surf if I want to, and now that I'm going to California, I feel like I'm like ready to just go hard again and really put everything into it and try to get better.